Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create invoices with GoDaddy. First, go and log into your account. Once in, on the top right corner, click on your name, then go to your product section. Now in here, scroll down until you see this commerce and payments, then click on it. Now, click on the manage button beside your website. Once done, on the left panel, scroll down until you see this invoicing, so go ahead on it. Now, you'll have the option to create an invoice, so click on the create invoice button. Here, you can add a customer if you'd like to, and now you can add an item name for your invoice, then the quantity and the price of it. You can also go ahead and add another item if you'd like to. Now, you can go to Invoice Schedule. Here, you'll have the option to choose whether it repeats and also choose to send it immediately or choose a specific date for it. Then also the due date. Now you can also go to Share Options, and for the collect payment, you can request a payment from customers. Then you can also go and choose to send it automatically via email or text, or you can manually share the link. Now, you can go to payment methods. Here, you can choose one, whether it's credit or bank transfers. Now, for additional details, you can add an invoice ID, and also you can add an invoice summary. You can also add a customer message if you'd like to. Now, once done, on the right side, you can see the preview of your invoice. You can go ahead and save it as you'd like. But once it's final, you can now go ahead and click on this Send Invoice button at the bottom. First here, we need to add in a customer. So now add in a name of that customer, then also the email address and phone numbers or other information, and hit save. Now, you can send the invoice to that customer. But that's just basically it. That's how you create invoices in GoDaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.